Chicken chaap is one of the Mughlai delicacies in Bengal during the rule of Nawabs in Bengal. It has been an intricate part of the food popular during Bengali festivals like Durga Puja. The biryani and chicken chaap are the most cherished food combinations served as a part of the traditional Mughlai cuisine in Kolkata. First, we have to prepare the spices for marination. So we are making two types of marination. One is the dry marination, dry spices powder. Another is the wet paste for the marination. For creating the dry spice powder, we are adding uh, cinnamon, cardamom, cloves, red chilies, rose petals, mace, and nutmeg on a griddle and roasting them for a few minutes. Then we are making that into a fine powder. You try to make as fine as possible. And this gives rise to this highly aromatic powder. After that, for the wet paste, we are adding ginger, garlic, and onion and green chilies and making a fine paste. If the paste is not is rough, then you add a little bit of water to make it as fine as possible. We are marinating the chicken with this paste for around 4 to 5 hours. Then we'll shallow fry the chicken pieces. For the chicken pieces, for preparing chaap, we are taking the whole chicken legs. We are adding this marinade, the dry spices as well as the wet spices with curd, as well as a little bit of roasted chickpeas powder, which is also called sattu. This is added so that it doesn't splutter in the oil. The chicken pieces are flipped occasionally to cook evenly on both the sides, and we cook them till they are light brown in color. Some people may also use clarified butter instead of mustard oil, and the process is repeated for all the pieces. Add a little bit of ghee for the flavor and the aroma. Adding the roasted chickpeas, flour or sattu. You can see the oil doesn't splutter in the all around the pan. Next process is to prepare the gravy. For the gravy, we are taking soaked poppy seeds and cashew nuts, and this will give you the perfect nutty, smooth gravy, which has a creamy consistency. Cashew nuts should also be soaked at least for 4 to 5 hours to have this smooth paste. which will really give you a royal touch to this gravy. Now I take clarified butter or ghee in the pan, then add all the marinade which is there, the remaining marinade which was with me, and I just fry the marinade. So you can understand, in the marinade we have this onion, garlic and ginger paste along with the spices and curd. Simmer it a bit. I then added a bit of red chili powder for the color. This is optional. Add this paste of cashew nuts and poppy seeds to this gravy and add the fried chicken pieces. This gravy. We add a little bit of milk, around 1/4 cup of milk mixed with water. Simmer it covered. Cover cook it for 10 to 15 minutes till all the chicken pieces soak the flavor of the gravy. We also add saffron soaked in milk for the added color and aroma. Cover cook the chicken till the oil floats on the top. The gravy leaves the oil and you can see the oil floating. Are released. This gives a very royal touch and feel to the gravy. The flavors will be intense, and we end the process by adding around half teaspoon of Keora essence, which is extracted from pandan's leaves. Finally, this is ready to serve with the biryani. Thank you for watching.